Lalitya Quiz Contest!
Greetings viewers and participants. We are back with Lalitya Quiz Contest today, and so we have both of our participants, we have the questions, we have a timer, and most importantly guys, this is a really important health advisory, we have soap with us here. It is really necessary during these times that you use soap to wash your hands at regular intervals before you're eating, when you come back home from going out, and at such times you really need to use soap. If you're outside home, do make sure you use sanitizers. So with that, now I think we can start the quiz. In this quiz today we will be having 6 rounds, and I will let you know about the type of questions and the points for questions. So now we will begin round 1. Take your pick. In this round, I will ask each participant 3 questions. The first question will have 3 options, second question will have 4 options, and the last question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, only one is the correct answer. And yes, always remember, in the entire quiz, I can ask the second participant to guess the answer, but that's for guessing only. The second participant will not get any points for that. And if he wishes to, he cannot answer, it's his choice. And yes, no question has negative marking. So you should give it a try. So in this round, each question carries 5 points. So we will begin with participant 1, which is Suhita today.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So your first question is, Hong Kong is a special administrative region of which country? Hong Kong हा कोणत्या देशाचा स्पेशल ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह रिजन आहे? जपान, चायना or Vietnam?
China.
China. Will you confirm that?
Yes.
That's the right answer. Congratulations, you
Thank
got
you.
5 points. Tripitakas are the sacred books for which religion? Tripitak ह्या कोणत्या धर्माच्या फार रिलिजियस बुक्स आहेत, सेक्रेड बुक्स आहेत? बुद्धिझम, सिखिझम, हिंदुइझम or Jainism?
Buddhism.
Buddhism. Will you confirm that?
Yes.
Okay, so you have confirmed this answer. Sudhanva, you are our second participant. Would you like to guess?
I think it's Jainism.
It's Jainism. No, you're wrong. It is Buddhism. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And now your final question in round 1. The red delicious is a variety of which fruit? Cherry, mango, grapes, apple, or cashew nut?
Cherry.
Cherry. Will you confirm that answer?
Yes.
So you have confirmed cherry. Sudhanva, would you like to guess what the answer might be?
Might be apple.
Apple. We have apple and cherry.
Cherry is my favorite, so I thought
Ooh.
red delicious.
Apple was the right answer.
Yeah,
Apple Red
apple.
Delicious is a very famous variety. It's a wonderful variety. You should try a Red Delicious apples. They're
It's
really
also my
tasty.
favorite.
So that was a wrong answer you gave, but you got 2 correct. So that is a score of 10 points.
Thank you.
Now our second participant, Sudhanva. Are you ready?
Yeah.
The Mesopotamian civilization was situated between 2 rivers. Was situated in the region between 2 rivers. One of them was Tigris. Which was the other? Got the question? Nile, Jordan, or Euphrates?
I will go with Jordan.
Jordan. Will you confirm that answer?
Yeah.
So you have confirmed Jordan. Suhita, would you like to give it a shot?
Nile.
Nile.
Yes.
Both of you are wrong. It is Euphrates.
मला
Tigris and
वाटलंच
Euphrates
तरी.
are 2 rivers. They flow like parallel to each other, and the region between them is very fertile. It was a great choice for a civilization, and the very famous Mesopotamian civilization. It was very advanced civilization, and it was between the 2 rivers. So you don't get points for that. Your second question is, according to the series, what was Mr. Bean's first name? Got the question? Cauliflower? Yeah, cauliflower, Jaunty, Timmy, or none of the above?
I'm not sure, but I will go with Timmy.
Timmy. Will you confirm that answer?
Yeah.
So you have confirmed Timmy. Sunita, would you like to guess?
None of above.
None of the above would have
Yes.
been the right answer. What is it?
His name, I know actually.
In the entire series, Mr. Bean's first name is never mentioned.
But I know his name.
His name he would just state as Bean when asked.
Yes.
So, you don't get points for that.
So what is his name?
No, the name is not mentioned.
मला तर माहिती होतं.
नाव दिलंच नाहीये त्याला.
हो का?
मिस्टर बीन एवढाच दिलेलं आहे. In fact, cauliflower, when during the scripting, it was thought that the name should be given Mr. Cauliflower, but then it was changed to Bean. So I put in
Bean अच्छा
cauliflower. The Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT for short, is based on a longitude which passes through the town of Greenwich. Near which major city is Greenwich? Got the question? London, Belfast, Edinburgh, Dublin, or Isle of Man?
I think it's Edinburgh.
Edinburgh. Will you confirm that answer?
Yeah.
So you will confirm Edinburgh. Suhita, would you like to guess?
Yes. London.
London is your choice.
I'm confirm.
You have confirmed. No, you
Yes.
don't get points for that.
Yeah, I know.
London would have been the right answer, guys. So you don't get points for that. And at the end of round 1, your score stands at 0. But don't worry, there are 5 more rounds to go. So now we will move on to round 2. What's the question? In this round, we do the opposite. I give you the answer. You have to frame a question and give me back.
Yes.
Remember, you have to give me a question. I will not accept an answer. I will ask each participant 3 questions, and each question carries 10 points. So you can earn 30 points in this round. We will begin with participant 1. Suhita, are you ready?
Yes.
It was dropped on 9th August 1945.
It was
It was dropped on 9th August 1945.
1940. हिरोशिमा आणि नागासाकीवर ते बॉम्ब पडले होते.
Frame a question and give me.
Yes. In which year Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombed?
No, I will not take that. You were close enough, but I will not take that. The correct answer I was expecting was, when was Nagasaki bombed? It was only Nagasaki. Hiroshima was
Hiroshima.
3 days before.
एक साथच पडता ना रे.
It was on 3 days before. We often say Hiroshima and Nagasaki वर bomb टाकले, but it was there was a 3 days gap. 6 ऑगस्ट 1945 ला हिरोशिमा, बॅटमॅन, and 9th August 1945 Nagasaki, Enola Gay. So you
Good
don't get
question.
points for that. Your second question is, his real name was Narendra Nath Datta.
What is the original name of Swami Vivekananda?
Absolutely right. You get full points for that.
Thank you.
Your final question is, it is the first note in Indian classical music.
What is Shadja means sa?
You're right. So you have got 2 correct. That is a score of 20 points.
Thank you.
Now we'll move on to our second participant, Sudhanva. Are you ready?
Yes.
Operation Wrath of God. Wrath of God. Operation Wrath of God. That's it.
What is name of Somnath temple rehabilitation?
No, I was. Would you like to guess?
Jagannath Puri.
No, it is. I don't think it is related to temples.
No.
What?
Rath Yatra.
Not Rath. Wrath. W-R-A-T-H. I was looking for what was the code name of the operation in which the assassins of athletes in Munich were killed.
Wow.
So that Israeli operation under which they assassinated most of those who were involved in killing of the Israeli athletes in the Munich Olympics.
Amazing question.
in 72.
Yeah.
So it was a very major event, you could say. So you don't get points for that. Your second answer is, it is the ratio of the Indian flag. Ratio of Indian flag to the width or to the length. Yeah, width to the length.
Means by color.
No. The size of the Indian flag, width
Yeah.
by breadth. It is this ratio.
Okay.
You got the question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
You can think for a minute. You have to answer now.
Yeah.
Give any answer.
मराठीतून
अरे,
सांग नाही, मराठीतून प्रश्न विचार चालेल की ओके ना पुण्यापेक्षा यू कॅन आस्क इन
What is
मराठी
the ratio of Indian? नाही, हा प्रश्न नाही आहे.
मराठीतून विचार
Okay, you have taken a lot of time. What is 3:2?
काय
What is 3:2?
या असं काही नाहीये
What is 3:2? That was as easy as that.
हा राईट
3:2 is the ratio.
ओके असा प्रश्न पाहिजे होता
Yeah.
वाव
Three.
इंटरेस्टिंग
It
क्वेश्चन
is 3:2.
इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन
Your final question, last chance to score anything in this round. He delivered the I have a dream speech.
Who was Martin Luther King?
Absolutely right. Who was Martin Luther King Jr.? But I will take that. No
पण
worries.
चालेल ना आन्सर
Oh,
ज्युनियर नाही बोलला तो
it's okay.
ओके
If you say king, then it is generally fine. So you get 10 points in this round. I have a dream is a very famous speech about the rights of black people and color discrimination in America. So that concludes round 2. What's the question? So now, guys, we'll move on to round 3, mixed bag. In this round, I will ask the question commonly, and then the participants have 12 seconds to write the answer down. And they have been given a piece of paper, and we have a clock, so we'll measure 12 seconds.
बट इट्स नॉट
And
बजर राउंड
no, there are 5 questions. You can earn up to 10 points in each question.
Yes.
So you can earn 50 points. So we will begin. Neodymium, एक metal है. Neodymium is used to make very good kinds of what? Neodymium वापरून फार चांगल्या प्रतीचं काय बनवतात? Start writing your answer now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Time is up. So one of us have silver, one of us has tools. Miss, you cannot make silver using a metal. Alchemy is a real thing, but it is really difficult.
बनवतं काय विचारलं होतं ना
Yeah, so no, even tools is wrong. I was looking for magnets. Neodymium is a rare earth metal, and it is used to make very powerful magnets. Neodymium magnets, they are quite famous.
म्हणजे ते काय असतं
चुंबक, मॅग्नेट चुंबक.
ते काय नाही
निओडिमियम हा एक धातू आहे. हा धातू वापरून खूप शक्तिशाली चुंबक बनवता येतात.
मला वाटलं सिल्वर मध्ये घालत असतील
Okay. Inside which organ would you find white matter and grey matter? White matter आणि grey matter हीच नाव आहेत. हीच नाव आहेत.
Cells
ह्याचं-
म्हणायचं लपेट.
नाही. व्हाईट मॅटर आणि ग्रे मॅटर हीच नाव आहेत. हे कोणत्या आपल्या ऑर्गन मध्ये असतं? स्टार्ट रायटिंग युअर आन्सर नाव.
असं काहीच नसतं.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Heart, brain. Brain is the right answer. Even if you wrote spinal cord, I would have taken it. Both of them have white matter and grey matter.
त्या पेशी असतात व्हाईट
हो ना.
सेल्स रेड सेल्स
नाही, व्हाईट ब्लड सेल्स वेगळं असतं. व्हाईट
काय?
मॅटर म्हणजे आपल्या ब्रेन मध्ये जो बाहेरचा भाग असतो आणि आतला भाग असतो यांचा रंग वेगळा असतो. एक पांढऱ्या रंगाचा असतो, एक असा थोडासा ग्रे रंगाचा असतो. फार काही डिफरन्स
मी हे
नसतो.
मॅटर म्हणजे काय?
मॅटर, सबस्टन्स.
अच्छा, त्याचा टिश्यूज
नाही
पेशीशी काय
व्हाईट
संबंध आहे?
मॅटर. ते पांढरे म्हणून त्याला व्हाईट मॅटर बोलले, ग्रे म्हणून त्याला ग्रे मॅटर बोलले.
मेंदूत
सो
असतं.
ब्रेन और स्पायनल कॉर्ड, बोथ ऑफ देम वर राईट. यू सेड ब्रेन, आय विल टेक दॅट. We see only one side of the moon. I'm serious or joking? आपल्याला चंद्राची एकच बाजू दिसते. Serious or joking? Start writing your answer now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Serious? Serious? Absolutely serious. We can only see one. We only ever see one side of the moon. जी दुसरी बाजू असते ती आपल्याला कधी दिसत नाही, ती पलीकडेच राहते. इनफॅक्ट पहिल्यांदा त्याचा फोटो सुद्धा बऱ्यापैकी उशिरा काढला गेलेला होता, कारण असाच आपण काढू नाही शकत ना पृथ्वीवर नसेल. हा, आणि अजून एक गंमत आहे, जी पृथ्वी चंद्राची दुसरी बाजू असते तिचा 18% भाग आपल्याला दिसतो, पण बाकीचा आपल्याला दिसत नाही. सो तेवढा भाग कम्प्लीट आपल्याला माहिती नाही. आणि डार्क साइड ऑफ द मून हा जो शब्द आहे, तिकडे प्रकाश असतो, ती आपल्याला दिसत नाही, म्हणून आपण तिला डार्क.
एक्झॅक्टली.
ओके, नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. हाऊ मेनी फिंगर्स डू मोस्ट कार्टून कॅरेक्टर्स हॅव? बऱ्याच कार्टून कॅरेक्टर्स ना किती बोट असतात? नो, डोंट राईट. स्टार्ट रायटिंग युअर आन्सर नाउ. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop writing. 3, 4. You're right. 4. By the way, do you know the reason why 4?
Why? No.
खूप पूर्वी जेव्हा अॅनिमेटेड फिल्म्स हाताने ड्रॉ करून अॅनिमेट कराव्या लागायच्या, तेव्हा प्रत्येक स्लाइड ही हाताने ड्रॉ करावी लागायची बऱ्याचदा. तर तेव्हा लोकांना कळलं की जर 5 बोट ड्रॉ केली तर तो केळ्यांचा असा एक गुच्छा वाटतो, म्हणून 4च केली.
वाव, नाईस इन्फॉर्मेशन.
सो यू गेट पॉइंट्स फॉर दॅट अँड वंडरफुल ऑब्झर्वेशन बाय यू. युअर फायनल क्वेश्चन. व्हॉट डिड सॅम्युअल मोर्स अँड हिज वाईफ यूज टू कम्युनिकेट विथ मोर्स कोड? म्हणजे सॅम्युअल मोर्स ज्याने मोर्स कोड बनवला, तो त्याच्या बायकोसोबत मोर्स कोड मध्ये काय वापरून बोलायचा?
काय वापरून म्हणजे?
काय वापरून बोलायचं? काहीतरी वापरून बोलायचं. ते काय बोलायचं? स्टार्ट रायटिंग. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Phone. Sound. Unfortunately, both of you are wrong. The Morse code was invented after Samuel Morse's wife died. In fact, the thing is, Samuel Morse made the Morse code because at that time the fastest way of communication was letter. आणि गंमत अशी झालेली की त्याची बायको मेली होती, तिचं पूर्ण फ्युनरल करून सगळं काही करूनही झालं, आणि तेव्हा हा तिकडे पोहोचला. कारण पत्र इतक्या उशिरा पोहोचतं. ते त्याला इतकं वाईट वाटलं की माझी बायको मेली, मला कळलंही नाही, आणि मी गेलो कधी की जेव्हा सगळं काही करून झालेलं होतं, म्हणजे ती मेली ह्याचा संदेश मला किती उशिरा पोहोचला. तर म्हणून त्याने हा मोर्स कोड बनवला होता, आणि आता आपण तो वापरतो, म्हणजे पूर्वी अपेक्षा. सो दॅट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड मोर्स कोड.
नाईस स्टोरी.
सो गाइस, दॅट कन्क्लूड्स राउंड 3 मिक्स्ड बॅग. Now we will move on to round 4, vocabulary. In this round, all questions, I will ask 5 questions. 3 of those questions will involve rearranging letters, and 2 of those questions will involve reading the given word backwards. So there are 5 questions, 10 points for each question, and you can earn 50 points in this round. However, you don't earn 50 points always, because this is a buzzer round.
Yes.
So, and yes, you will have around 10 seconds of thinking time after I say the question. Rearrange the letters in the word lamp. Lamp. To get a word which means the surface of hand. Start thinking. Ten seconds are up. Go. That's right. Rearrange the letters in the word name. Name to get what a male lion has. Start thinking. 7, 8, 9, 10. Go.
Mean.
Mean. No, I was looking for mane.
मेन M-A-N.
Yeah.
बरोबर आहे ना?
Mean.
हो.
I am ना?
M-A-N.
So you don't get points.
माझं
for
बरोबर
that.
होतं पण मला
Rearrange the letters in the word chin to get a unit for measurement. Start thinking.
एक मिनिट
Chin to get a unit for measurement.
युनिट फॉर मेजरमेंट
7, 8, 9, 10. Go.
Inch.
That's right. Read the word and backwards to get a short form of a genetic material. Start thinking. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go.
DNA.
Absolutely right. Read the word said. Said.
Not
Backward.
sad.
Said backwards to get a raised platform on which to climb and speak. Start thinking. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go.
Dais.
Absolutely right. So dais was the word, and guys, that concludes round 4 vocabulary. Now we will take a short break, but during the break, guys, please enjoy the wonderful information about space given by one of our contestants, Suhita.
लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आणि मी आलीये पुन्हा एकदा तुमच्यासाठी अंतराळातल्या गमती जमती घेऊन. ऐकूया आपली पहिली स्पेस फॅक्ट. अजून 100 बिलियन वर्षांनंतर असा अंदाज आहे की आपली मिल्की वे गॅलेक्सी जवळच्या अँड्रोमेडा सोबत मिळेल. ह्याला मिल्क ड्रोमेडा सुद्धा म्हणतात. जर अशा मिल्क ड्रोमेडा मध्ये कोणत्या तरी ग्रहावर जीव असले आणि त्यांनी विकसित होऊन जर अंतराळात काही बघण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर त्यांना त्या गॅलेक्सीच्या बाहेरचं काहीच दिसणार नाही. असं होतं कारण 100 बिलियन वर्षांनंतर गॅलेक्सीज इतक्या दूर जातील एकमेकांपासून की त्या दिसणं अशक्य होईल. त्या मानाने आपण एका खूप लकी वेळात जगतोय, कारण आपल्याला आपल्या गॅलेक्सीच्या बाहेर काहीतरी आहे हे तरी माहितीये. काय आहे की नाही गंमत? लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
So guys, welcome back after the break. Hope you enjoyed the space facts given by one of our contestants. Now, speed. In this round, I will ask each participant 5 questions. Second and fourth of those questions will be having options. 2 options, you can give one of those. And 5 questions, 10 points for each question. So you can earn 50 points. And yes, you have to answer within 40 seconds.
Yes.
So, we'll begin with participant 1, Suhita. We will have it in Marathi with you.
Okay.
So, we will start now. कोणाचं खरं नाव संपूर्ण सिंग कालरा आहे?
मनमोहन सिंग.
नो. इरफान खानचा शेवटचा सिनेमा कोणता? कारवा और अंग्रेजी मीडियम?
अंग्रेजी मीडियम.
ऍब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. भारतरत्न मिळालेला सर्वात लहान माणूस कोण आहे?
सचिन तेंडुलकर.
करेक्ट. बटाटा काय आहे, खोड की मूळ?
खोड.
बरोबर. डेसिबल मध्ये काय मोजतात?
घनता.
No, and that concludes. You have done it almost 15 seconds before. So congratulations. Sampuran Singh Kalra is the real name of Gulzar.
गुलजार. हे ना माहितच नव्हतं.
Decibel is used to measure the loudness of sound.
माहिती
So
होतं decibel.
3 correct. That is a score of 30 points. You just write that down.
माहिती असतं पण फास्ट मध्ये स्पीड असते ना.
Now we will move on to our second participant, Sudhanva. We'll have it in English with you. We'll begin. Now, St. Petersburg was earlier known as what?
Leningrad.
Yes, you are right. Any magnet can be used as a compass. I'm serious or joking?
Serious.
Correct. Which star is closest to Earth?
Sun.
Yes, correct. Thiamine is the chemical name of vitamin B1 or D?
B1.
Correct. The tennis court oath was a major step in which revolution? Five seconds.
French Revolution.
Absolutely correct. You have got a perfect score of 5 times 10, 50. So, thumb. Now we'll move on to my favorite round. What's the word? In this round, I ask each participant 6 questions. Out of those, 3 questions will be having options, like 2 of those you have to give 1 of those, and you have to note down the first letter of the answers. So, suppose if the answer is French Revolution, you have to just note down the F, and that's it. Now for all 6, like this was one of the earlier questions, okay? So
Yes.
don't get fooled. French Revolution is not one of the answers to this round.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it.
And you have to join all those 6 letters in order, and you'll get a 6-letter word, right? So
Right.
your final question will be, what's the word? And here you have to give me the 6-letter word. There are 7 questions. You can earn 10 points for each question. So this round has 70 points. In fact, if it is possible, the editor, which is also me, might add them around here. I don't know how that works. Anyways,
Yes.
so you might get the idea. If it does not work, I'm really sorry. Okay, we will begin with participant 1, Suhita. Are you ready?
Yes. By all means.
Orville Wright, one of the Wright brothers, once said that flying from New York to London would be impossible. I'm serious or joking?
Serious.
That's right. Most comets are made up of dirt and what?
Guess.
No. In which novel does Jean Valjean go to jail for stealing bread?
La Miserables.
Les Miserables, correct. This type of doctor is also known as otorhinolaryngologist.
Repeat question.
Otorhinolaryngologist.
This type of
ENT or
doctor.
pediatrician?
Pediatrician.
No. Which country is known as land of midnight sun?
Japan.
No. Mount Kilimanjaro is the tallest freestanding mountain. In which country is Mount Kilimanjaro? Kenya or Tanzania?
Mount Kilimanjaro. Kenya.
No. What's the word?
अरे एक राहिला ना प्रश्न सांग झाले पूर्ण
I guess I did the 6.
पहिला कोणता होता
No, I cannot tell you that.
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी
You know,
गडबड झाली
say something.
तुझं जरा वर खाली झालं
Really sorry, miss, but I am not responsible for that.
Can I ask all questions?
No,
or
no,
Okay, okay.
you don't
okay,
get that
okay,
option.
okay.
You have to answer fast or I'll consider
Yes,
it as
yes,
a no.
yes. No, no, no. Yes, yes. Cellular,
No, I was looking for
Selfie.
silent.
silent.
So the first answer was Sirius Orville Wright. After this flight, after the flight at Kitty Hawk, after he was successful, he said that flying to London from New York would be impossible, and this was done just 30 or 40 years after the first flight. Most comets are made up of dirt and ice.
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 गॅस पासून कॉमेट्स ना उल्का
Yeah.
ना
Comets, धूमकेतू.
धूमकेतूमध्ये बर्फ असतो
Oh.
गॅस असतो ना अगो बाई
Otorhinolaryngologist is also known as ENT, common name. Norway is known as the land of midnight sun. Japan is known as the land of
Oh.
rising sun. And Mount Kilimanjaro is in Tanzania. It is the tallest freestanding mountain. In fact, it is also a dormant volcano. So, you got 2 correct, that is a score of only 20. Now we'll move on to our second participant, Sudhanva. Are you ready?
Yes.
Words beginning from which letter would be a quiz master's most used words?
T.
No. The lymph fluid and lymph nodes are part of which system? Immune or nervous?
Nervous.
No. Which famous Indian cricketer was swapped at birth with a fisherman's baby? No idea. Dadar and Nagar Haveli was merged with which other territory to make a new union territory? Daman and Diu or Puducherry?
Puducherry.
No. Which gas in liquid form is blue? Nitrogen or oxygen?
Oxygen.
That's correct. Viking 1 and Mariner 3 were missions for which planet?
Viking 1 and
Mariner 3.
for Mars.
Yes, what's the word? No?
No. Syndrome.
No, wisdom. Words beginning from W would be most used because what, when, where, why, all these begin from W. And the quiz master asks questions, so these will be the most used. The lymph fluid and lymph nodes are a part of the immune system because most of them carry WBCs. Sunil Gavaskar was swapped at birth for a fisherman's child. His uncle, however, noticed that the baby they were having was having a birthmark near its ear, so it was found out. In fact, Sunil Gavaskar once said that if my uncle was not very attentive at that time, I would probably be fishing around the coast in Mumbai.
Wow.
Dadra and Nagar Haveli was merged with Daman and Diu recently, I guess this or last year. Yeah, rest you got correct. So the word was wisdom. Even you got 2 correct, that is a score of 20. So guys, now we will take a short break. And yes, during the break, please enjoy the wonderful information about space given by one of our contestants, Suhita.
Lalitya Quiz Contest!
So guys, welcome back after the break, and you can see, look at me, I'm really happy today. This has happened first time ever. The result has come out 120-120.
Wow.
So it is a tie today, but don't worry, we will not let the tie happen. We want a tiebreaker. So our participants do not know what the tiebreaker is going to be.
Yes.
But I know what it is going to be, and you can scroll to the end and see what it is going to be. So the tiebreaker will be as follows. In the tiebreaker, I will ask only one question, and the question is going to have a numerical answer. So the answer is a number. You have to write the answer down on the piece of paper already provided to you, and I'm pretty sure there is no space. Yep. Yeah. And we will be giving you only 6 seconds to think what the answer might be and write it down. So you have to think and write in only 6 seconds. So I hope you get the rules now. Here is the tiebreaker question. So the question for the tiebreaker is, and yes, before we do that, let me tell you, if both of you are wrong, I will consider the answer which is closest to the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay. In which year was Shivaji born? Start writing your answer now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Okay. You wrote 1427, 1629. You're wrong. That is generally expected in years. One of you is very close, one of you is quite far away. Are you confident about your answer,
Yes,
Suhita?
yes,
You are
yes,
confident.
yes.
Sudharma? You are confident. Chaki, what was the date?
19 फेब्रुवारी
Yeah,
का
19th February. Everyone knows. Year was 1630. You are off by 1 year. You get the points for this. Not points, but you win today's quiz. Congratulations. Shivaji was born on 19th of February 1630
Okay.
on Shivneri Fort, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So that is the answer. That concludes the quiz today. And so and yes, just because one of our participants has asked to tell this, so I might tell you this, that earlier we were supposed to have one question, but because of some concerns we could not have that question done. But no worries, that question was related to railways. The question was how many carriages did the first passenger train in India have, but it is a bit controversial, so we will not take that question. But I will tell you one interesting fact regarding that. Not really in the first passenger train, but sometime after that, the practice of AC coaches was started, air conditioning in coaches, but at that time it was a very bad process. Basically, in the roof of the coaches, there would be holes or grills made. Above those grills, or rather we can say, असं म्हणजे खड्डा असायचा, त्या खड्ड्याच्या खाली ग्रिल असायचं आणि त्या खड्ड्यात बर्फ भरायची आणि वरती फॅन असायचा आणि तो फॅन मधनं गार हवा यायची बर्फातनं पास होऊन. पण तो बर्फ आणि ग्रिल आहे त्यामुळे पाणी थोड्या गळू लागायचं, पण ते तेव्हाची AC तसेच होते आणि प्रत्येक स्टेशन वरती हा बर्फ संपायचा आणि नवीन बर्फ भरत राहावा लागायचा आणि त्या काळी AC कोचेस मध्ये फक्त ब्रिटिश जायचे. So that was an interesting fact for you. There is a really important health advisory. You have to use soaps to wash your hands. If it is not possible, you have to use sanitizers. If you don't have both of them, it is really necessary that you go out and buy something. Remember, when you go out, you have to wear a mask and make sure the mask covers your nose and mouth. It should not be on your throat or on your head. So with that, goodbye guys. I will see you the next time. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.
लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.